Hello students, I welcome you all for costing methods and techniques class. This will be your last problem on contract costing so that our first unit will be completed. Okay, so here is the problem. ABC Associates commenced work on a particular contract on 1st April 2019. They closed their books of accounts for the year on 31st December every year. The following information is available from their costing records on 31st December 2019. Materials sent to site 43,000, 4 months salary 12,620, wages paid 1,220,000. A machine costing rupees 30,000 remained in use on site for 1/5 of the year. Its working life was estimated at 5 years, and the scrap value at rupees 2,000. A supervisor is paid rupees 2,000 per month and had devoted half of his time on the contract. All other expenses were rupees 14,000. The materials on site were rupees 2,500. The contract price was rupees 4 lakh. On 31st December 2019, two-thirds of the contract was completed. However, the architect have certified only for rupees 2 lakh, on which 80% was paid. Prepare contract account. Okay, so this is the problem and they have asked us to prepare contract account, right? So write down heading ABC Associates. Next line, contract account for the year ending 31st December 2019. Particulars, two amount columns, particulars again two amount columns. Okay, now first, materials sent to site. Okay, that has to be taken. To materials sent to site, amount is 43,000. Okay, now next is to 4 months salary. 4 months salary. Okay, 4 months salary. Amount is rupees 12,620. 12,620, and then to wages paid. Wages paid, and the amount is 1,220,000. Okay, yes. Now a machine costing rupees 30,000 remained in use on site. Machine costing rupees. Okay, so cost price they have given, so we are taking it on the debit side. Machine at cost. Okay, amount is 30,000. Next, on site for 1/5 of the year its working life was estimated at 5 years, and the scrap value at rupees 2,000. Okay, so scrap value is given 2,000. So before recording that scrap value, first we need to take work in progress by work in progress. Okay, work in progress, then work certified, and then work uncertified. Okay, yes, then here we are going to take by scrap. Scrap 2,000. Okay, then here they have given next what we are going to take is 1/5 of the year its working life was estimated at 5 years, and the scrap value is 2,000. It means we will calculate depreciated value of plant. Okay, So before taking depreciated value of plant, here whatever expenses they have given, we are going to take it. Then your other expenses 14,000 they have given. To other expenses, okay, other expenses amount is 14,014. Okay, then here supervisor is paid rupees 2,000 per month and devoted half of his time on the contract. Okay, to supervisor salary, supervisor's salary. Okay, show the calculation in bracket. Okay, what they have told, 2,000 per month. Okay, rupees 2,000 per month. Now this contract they have started in the month of April. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. It means the contract is for 9 months. So into 9 months, okay, which will be equal to 18,000. Okay, 18,000, and he has devoted half of his work. So into 1 divided by 2. Okay, so that is equals to 9,000 rupees. Hope so everybody has understood this calculation. Why into half we have made? Because he has devoted only half of his time for this particular contract. Okay. Now here the material on site were rupees 2,500. So that we will record by material on site. Material on site is 2,500. 2,500. Okay. Now the contract price is 4 lakh. On 12th December 2019, 2/3 of the contract was completed. However, the architect has certified only rupees 2 lakh, on which 80% was received. Okay, only 80% was received. So now work certified is not given, work uncertified is not given. So what we will do is, uh, work certified is given, work certified is 2 lakh. Understanding? 2 lakh here they have given, right? The contract, however, the architect have certified only rupees 2 lakh. So certified in the sense work certified is 2 lakh, but work uncertified is not given in the problem. We need to find out work uncertified. Okay, so to calculate that, we will have one working note over here. So write down calculation of work uncertified. Calculation of work uncertified. Okay, so here particulars, and this is rupees. Okay, now first we need to take debit side. Okay, now debit side, what all expenses they have given, that has to be taken. Materials, amount is 43,000. Next is 4 months salary. $12,620. Okay, then wages amount is 1,220,000. 1,220,000. Then supervisor salary Supervisor's salary is 9,000. Next, expenses. Expenses amount is 14,000. Next, machinery 30,000. So whatever debit side we have like expenses were incurred, that we have taken. Okay, now make total of this. Total of this is 2,08,840. Okay, this is total of debit side. Now from this we need to deduct less credit side. Credit side. Okay, now on the credit side, machine. Okay, that is here we haven't calculated yet depreciated value of machine, right? So only cost price is taken. So first that we will take it on the credit side, and then we are going to take it. Now depreciated value of machine. Second working note, depreciated. Here you can leave around six to eight lines for first working note, and then take down second working note, calculation of depreciated value of machine. Okay, now machine costing machine costing rupees 30,000, which is already been given. Then from this we are going to deduct scrap. Okay, and the scrap value is 2,000 rupees. Deduct this 28,000. Okay, now there is a depreciation they have given over here. Percentage is not given, but working life of machine is given, and how much is used for this particular contract they have given. So accordingly we are going to calculate depreciation. From this we need to deduct depreciation less depreciation. Okay, you can show the calculation over here. That is 28,000 divided by, now working life of machine is given as 5 years. Okay, into 1/5. This is used for, this machine is used for this particular contract is 1/5. They have given over here. You can read. A machine costing rupees 30,000 remained in use on site. 1/5 of the year its working life was estimated at 5 years. Okay, so that we have taken. Calculate depreciation, and the depreciation is 1,120. Okay, and here it is 26,880. 26,880. So depreciated value of machine is 26,880. That we are going to take it on the credit side by depreciated value of machine. Okay, and working note can be written over here, and the working note is note number 2. Okay, 26,880. Understanding? Yes. Now we will continue with first working note. I could have taken first working note as depreciated value of machine, and then we could have taken calculation of work uncertified, but that's fine. Okay, now credit side, debit side we have taken, and we have made total, that is 2,08,840. From that we are going to deduct credit side total less credit side, and the credit side, here we have machines Okay, machine machine costing rupees 30,000 minus depreciation. Depreciation is 1120. Machine we are going to take now. Check credit side. Machine we are going to take 26,880, 26,880, and then there we have scrap. Scrap, and the scrap they have given 2,000 rupees, 2,000, and then we have material on site 2,500, material on site 2,500. Now make total of these things and take it to the outer column. 31,380. Okay, and then deduct this, so that will be 1,77,460. Okay, now what this is called as? This is nothing but expenses incurred for 2/3 of the work completed. Expenses incurred, expenses incurred for 2/3 of the work completed. Okay, why 2/3 we have taken? Because already they have mentioned here on 31st December 2019 2/3 of the contract was completed, and to complete that 2/3 of the work, so this much expense was incurred. Okay, now next we are calculating work uncertified. Now less expenses of half work certified. Now why we have taken half work certified? Now go through the problem. Here contract price is 4 lakh rupees, right? And here work certified is 2 lakh rupees. It means half of the contract is completed. Okay, so work certified is 50%, right? So we have taken here expenses of half work certified. Now expenses of half work certified will be, again we need to show the calculation. Okay, now for 2/3 of the contract, to complete 2/3 of the contract, expenses is half. Okay, now to complete 2/3, okay, expenses incurred is 1,77,460. Okay, then how much expenses will be incurred for half work completed? Okay, now again here cross multiplication. So how it will be now? 1,77,460 into half it is 2/3. So when we reciprocal it, it will be 3/2. Okay, now calculate this. That will be 1,33,095. Okay, now deduct this. If you deduct, you will get 44,365. Now 44,365 is work uncertified. Work uncertified. Okay, now take it here. Note number 1. So that is 44,365. Add it. So that will be 2,44,365. Okay. Now next, close this account. Again, credit side total is more. 2,75,000. 2,75,745. 745. Find out notional profit. Notional profit is 66,905. 66,905. Now this has to be brought down. Notional profit brought down. Now find out how much work is completed. Work completed is, now here 80% of cash received is being given, right? Check here. Of which 80% was paid. 80% was paid means 80% of the cash is received by the contractor. Okay. So here formula, amount transferred to profit and loss account is equals to, now we all know like half of the work is completed because work certified is 2 lakh and the contract price is 4 lakh, right? So it means 2/3 into notional profit into percentage of cash received. Now here cash received is given, percentage of cash received. Okay, which is equals to 2/3 into notional profit is 66,905 into 80%. Into 80%. Calculate 35,683. 35,683. Okay. Now come to contract account. 2 profit and loss account. 35,683. Now make a total 66,905. Same total. Now find out how much amount will be transferred to reserves. $31,222 is transferred to reserves. Okay, hope so everybody has understood this problem. To calculate work uncertified, what we have done, debit side total minus credit side total, then how much work is completed. Now work certified is already they have given is half of the work is certified, so how much expenses is incurred for that. So we will deduct, then whatever amount is left out, that will be your work uncertified. Okay, so this was your last problem on contract costing. If time permits, later after completing your syllabus, again I'll be dealing few problems on contract costing. Okay, please go through the balance sheet format as well as the contract account. And in many times in problems, balance sheet full information will not be given. We will have to find out only work in progress calculation, and on the liability side profit and loss calculation. Okay, so if that part is done, then that's it. Okay, you need not tally, full information is not given in the problem. Okay, you can leave it there itself. Okay, so we have solved different types of problems under contract costing, like all the problems I have taken. Okay, for practice purpose in textbook many problems are available. You can go through those problems, you can solve it. If you are having any doubts, you can ask. Okay. Okay then, in my next video, I'll be starting with your second unit, that is operating costing. See you in next video.